Hopefully I can reach from here. Yeah. So that's the alert mode. And I have overland, which is going to put all of them on. And then I have camp amber, which just illuminates everything with like a amber. And then white. And then what else do I have? So I can just turn the light bar on independently. Light bar white independently. Passenger amber. Driver amber. Driver white, passenger white. Yeah, so full control. I decided to do the driver's side and the passenger side on different channels, and the white and the amber on different channels, so that I can control them individually, just like that. So you can kind of see the light spill on the ground as I change it. And it's the app that I can control it with. Focus distance of this 85 is terrible. But anyway, yeah, that is it. Probably the weirdest combination of A and B cam you'll ever see. But there goes the FX30 right there. Looking all cute. Shout out to my filmmaking journey. Shout out to these amber lights. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay up.